equipped with a high-performance motor. The portable air compressor provides a continuous and stable high-voltage output of up to 150 psi to finish toughest jobs and heavy DIY. Built-in sound insulation system and low vibration balance design. The operating noise of the air pump is as low as 65 decibels, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. This no-load oil-free air compressor startup requires low amps for an easier startup in cold weather. Built-in automatic overheat protection and safety valve to ensure the stable operation of the silent air compressor and worry-free use. Lightweight aluminum alloy body with rubber-reinforced handle and bases. The air compressor can move freely whether it is a workshop or a construction site. Integrated LED display and intuitive control buttons, easy to monitor air pressure and adjust settings. Worry-free operation.